Hi everyone. Today's class looks at common idioms and phrases. Idioms can be confusing to English learners because they have a literal meaning and a figurative meaning. These are just a few of the thousands of idioms in the English language. Sleep on it. To think about something for a while before making a decision. Don't tell me today, sleep on it and get back to me tomorrow. Rule someone or something out. This means to eliminate someone or something. The police ruled out the man as a possible suspect. Tip of the iceberg. The small, easily visible part of a larger problem. These complaints are just the tip of the iceberg. 15 clients have left us. On the other hand, looking at the opposite side of a matter. Jamila is very intelligent, but on the other hand, she is very lazy. Open to something. To be agreeable to learn or hear about new suggestions. Most members of the class were open to the teacher's ideas. Down for the count. Unable or unwilling to participate any longer. Giving up. Jack's down for the count after having tried everything to get his business going. Look up something. To search for something in a book or online. I looked up the word in the dictionary. Life in the fast lane. A life filled with excitement. Carl was tired of living life in the fast lane, so he retired from the band. Let the cat out of the bag. To tell a secret. Owen's surprise party is going to be great. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. We get heat waves here once in a blue moon. Butterflies in one's stomach. To be nervous. Liam had butterflies in his stomach before he went on stage to play the violin. A taste of one's own medicine. Being treated badly after treating other people badly. Lex decided to give Peyton a taste of his own medicine and turned off his phone. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.